Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to start our speaking class. I think you all are ready for it. Today's topic is very simple. You have to speak upon your father. Now focus on your father. Have concentration and try to speak. And I hope you will do your best. You have 3 minutes time for today's speaking. Okay? So now we start with Simran. Yes, come on, Simran.
Hello everyone, my name is Simran and I am the student of
Your
Raman
volume is
Interactive.
very low. Please raise your volume.
Hello everyone, my name is Simran and I am a student of Raman Interactive classes. Today our topic is about father. In everybody's life, father is the most important person
The most important.
and who teaches us about good and evil.
Evil.
My father name is Mr. Bhursing Mena. He is a teacher. He wake up early in the morning and he is 35 years old. He he is a teacher and he is my best friend and he he wake up early in the morning and go to a walk daily. After it he take his morning tea and then he ready to go for
He
his
gets ready.
then he gets ready to go for his school and in evening 4 p.m. he come from his school.
At 4 p.m.
after after it he take rest for 1 hour and then he go to his computer classes and then he play with me badminton for half hour and he is he is he don't believe on God
Doesn't.
doesn't and he is a biggest fan of Bhimrao Ambedkar. He always goes to his school on time. He teaches me the value of time in our life. He is a very kind person. He helped me in he helped me a lot in every work. He respect my mother. He care my all family. He he help my neighbors on in his bad time.
In their bad times.
His hobby is growing trees and um, and making and making story write, writing stories. And I like my father very much. That's it.
हो गया?
Okay.
ओके बेटे आवाज को ठीक करो थोड़ा सा.
Yes, sir.
ओके ना यस अंजलि.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Today my topic, my father. My father name is Mr. Maheshchand Meena. His age is 46 years. His qualification is BA Past. His hobby is watching movie and listening song. He watch TV. He worship God daily. His favorite food is dahi vade. His favorite color is blue. His favorite subject is math.
Hmm.
My family head is my father.
Hmm.
His wife name is Mrs. Hansi Meena.
Hmm.
He faced many problems in his life.
Hmm.
He is a nice person.
Hmm.
Father has very important role in our life.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा, बोलती रहे.
He love us.
Hmm.
We love them.
Him.
We love him.
Hmm.
Just like mother is important in our life, father is also very important.
Hmm. बहुत अच्छा बोला. बोलो अंजू.
That's it, sir.
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की आपने. वेरी गुड. यस, दृश्य.
Hello everyone, I am Darsha Agrawal. Today I am going to tell you about my father. My father's name is Mr. Ravindra Kumar. He is a businessman. He works of furniture. His behavior is very nice to all persons. He helps our neighbors when they are in their bad time.
Hmm.
He always tries to satisfy his family.
Hmm.
His he has he works of furniture. All the fathers are very good persons. All the fathers tries to motivate their children's
चिल्ड्रंस नहीं, चिल्ड्रन. हाँ बोलो.
children and tries to fulfill their needs
ट्राइज नहीं, ट्राई. फादर्स प्लूरल लिया ना आपने. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो.
and try to fulfill their needs.
Hmm.
The father is the second person which we like most after mother.
Yes.
Our father always thinks that our child will become a good person and big person which will have a good job in his
which
life.
Who will have? हाँ.
Who will have a good job in his life. Father always try to motivate their children. He has he has so many things, but he only need a thing that his children love him and fulfill all their needs when they are become young. Big. That's it, sir.
Okay. Nice efforts. बहुत अच्छा बोला. शाबाश.
Thank you, sir.
कोशिश करते रहो. Yes. Now, Harshit.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshit and I am the student of BA Tramban online interactive classes. As we all know that today's our topic is on my father. My father name is Mr. Ramkaran Meena. He is a teacher. He is about 40 years old. His hobby is to growing plants and teaching. His favorite subject is maths. He wakes up early in the morning, about 5 o'clock. Then he go for a walk, and after it he takes bath and go for teaching. He teach students maths.
Teaches.
He teaches maths to students. And after coming from his work, he take bath and सर समय बिताने को क्या कहेंगे?
And pass time. Pass his time. Yeah, spends his time.
And spends his time with us. And sometime in the evening he go for a walk.
Goes. ध्यान रखो थोड़ा verb का.
And he plays badminton with us. He is honest and kind person. He is punctual.
Good. Very good.
Some children don't like their father because sometimes their father rebuked to them.
Rebuke. Present
But
में आ रहा है ना पूरा. हाँ बोलो.
Okay. But they don't know that their father is rebuking to them for their good.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा बोला. शाबाश बेटा. हाँ.
And their fathers also save them from evil things.
Very good.
Or bad things.
Very good.
He sleeps at 9 o'clock. He likes to teaching us.
To teach us.
He has a car and one motorcycle. He has a house. His teaching place from my house is about 120 kilometers. That's all, sir.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया
Thank
बेटा.
you, sir.
Okay बेटा. खुश रहो. Yes, Astha.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Astha from Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today I am telling you about my father. My father's name is Pramod Rajput.
हाँ बेटा बोल बेटा.
He has 2 siblings, 1 brother and 1 sister. He is 34 years old. Her qualification is MA B.Ed passed. His wife's name is Pista Rajput. He works hard.
Very good बेटा. बहुत अच्छा. बोलती रहे.
He watches news in TV. Sometimes he read newspaper in morning. He go for a morning walk. He take care of us.
Very good.
He earns money for us. He provides many basic things for our study.
Very good. बोलती रहे बेटा.
My father is very intelligent. He fulfill our all needs. He get up early in the morning. He sleep at 11 p.m.
Okay.
He helps me in my every problem. Sometimes he play badminton with me. His favorite color is red. His favorite fruit is to eat pineapple.
To eat क्यों लगा रहे हो?
His favorite fruit is pineapple.
हाँ, yes.
His favorite food is dal bati churma.
Okay.
He talks with respect her father and her mother, his father and his mother.
Very good.
And he also talks with respect from each other.
With each other. With others. Each other nahi, with others.
Okay, sir. Sometimes he also teaches me. he has 3 children.
चिल्ड्रंस नहीं बेटा, चिल्ड्रन ही होता है बहुवचन में, है ना, प्लूरल में।
Okay, sir.
सिंगुलर चाइल्ड, प्लूरल चिल्ड्रन। बोलो बेटा।
His father's name is Shivraj Rajput. His mother's name is Rani Rajput.
ओके बेटा, टाइम इज ओवर।
Okay, sir.
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा बेटा, वेरी गुड। यस मोना।
Hello, hello everyone. My name is Mona Meena. Today my topic is my father. My father's name is Mr. Jairam Meena. He is 48 years old.
शाबाश बेटा, बोल बेटा, वेरी गुड।
He gets up at 5 a.m. 5 a.m. Then he takes bath. Yeah, he reads newspaper daily.
Yes.
His qualification is 7th pass. Then he worships the God and भजन करने को क्या बोलते हैं?
एंड भजन को हिम्स बोलते हैं। एंड सिंग्स रिलीजियस सॉन्ग्स, ऐसे बोल दो आप।
He sings.
भजन कर दो आप, तो भजन कर दो, कोई बात नहीं है।
He is singing. Sings. She helps me always.
बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है बेटा, बोलती रहे बस।
His wife name is Mrs. Lali Devi Meena. She is about 38 years old. I make mistake, so he explained to me.
दोबारा बोलो।
I make mistakes, so
when I make mistakes,
मैं गलती करती हूँ तो वो
जब मैं गलती करती हूँ तो।
We make mistakes, so
when I make mistakes, he corrects me. Okay.
He puts on dhoti kurta. He takes breakfast at 8 p.m. 8 a.m.
हाँ, okay.
He is very hardworking. He is punctual and kind person. He has a bike.
Yes, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया।
He lives in Jagatpura with your family.
With his family.
With his family.
Okay बेटा, time is over. बहुत बढ़िया कर रहे हो आप, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश कर रहे हो, समझ गए? बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो आप, वेरी गुड। यस पिंकी।
Jai Hind all of you. My name is Pinky Olia. I am a student of Ramban online interactive classes. Today my topic my father.
आराम से बोल, जल्दबाजी मत कर, पूरा सेंटेंस बना के बोल। My topic is my father. जल्दबाजी नहीं। हाँ।
My father name is Mr. Chotma Lolia. He is about 42 years old. My father is great. He work hard, son. My father is best. He get up at 5 o'clock.
5 a.m. Clock यूज मत किया कर। हाँ।
Then he drink tea.
ऐसे आराम से बोल, धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से। हाँ।
Then he read newspaper. Then he bath. Then
he takes bath. Yeah, he baths. Baths.
he breakfast.
He takes breakfast.
He takes breakfast 9 a.m.
At 9 a.m.
Then he goes to shop 10 o'clock.
At lagao, at 10.
He is very intelligent. He sings old song.
He sings old songs.
Yes, sir. My father is great person. He is very hardworking for us.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा. हाँ बोल. शाबाश.
He is a shopkeeper. He comes
back to home.
He comes back to house at 9 p.m. And he cook food is very nice, like dahi vade and dal bati. He's like food dahi vade and dal bati. His favorite color white.
Is white. Verb को लगाया कर.
He believe God.
In God.
He believe God.
In God. भगवान में. हाँ आराम से बोल. घबराए मत. हाँ.
He goes to temple every day.
Very good. Shabash.
He gives water tree daily.
Trees. He gives water to trees.
And my father is I love so much my father. That's it.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा. बहुत अच्छा. आराम से बोला कर थोड़ा, है ना. जल्दबाजी में बीच बीच में शब्दों को छोड़ जाती है तू. थोड़ा सा ध्यान से करेगी तो और भी अच्छा हो जाएगा. बस थोड़ा ध्यान करने की जरूरत है. यस विनय मैडम.
Good evening, everyone. Today's topic. Today I want to share my thoughts, my views about my father. My father's name is Mr. Deven Singh. His age about 62 years old, and he is a retired government employee. He is a very genuine person. He is a very gentle by nature. And he goes to morning walk daily. After coming from morning walk, he takes tea, and after taking tea, he take bath and do their daily worship. Like to write. He always spend his time to write mantras, write Gayatri mantra. He liked to write these mantras very much, and he like to go. He like to visit a religious place with my mother most of the time, and he taught us lots of good things.
Teaches.
He teaches lots of things that to learn happy whatever you have and don't attract with others things. Do work hard if you want to get these things, these positions, whatever. So if you want to get these things, you have to do work hard only. And he's take place in social works in the which is organized in our colonies, and he's
takes
a very
place nahi, he takes part.
Okay, he takes parts. Okay, sorry. And he's a very honest person, and he has completed his job in very dedicated and very determination.
Dedicated nahi.
Dedication. Okay, dedication. And we used we used to say him that take some rest. You can take one leave, but he did not take any leave when he was not able to do his job. That time he could take leave only, otherwise no. And he is a very he is very he always praised by others. He's very good of जनरल जीनियस क्या क्या बोलते हैं सर, बहुत अच्छा होना किसी के लिए जो बोलते हैं जेनरस with
generous,
others.
to others.
To others. He helps others when they are need, and they never deceive anyone. And he's a big, he always tell us truth and give and always says to us that always speak truth. No need
Time
to
is over, madam. Yes, sentence पूरा कर लो.
not no need to speak a lie to anyone.
Okay, बहुत बढ़िया. फ्लो तो अच्छा आने लग रहा है आपका, है ना? हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, काफी इम्प्रूवमेंट है, आप चिंता मत करो. पूर्णिमा
को सर अभी बुला रही हूँ, 1 मिनट यही है. गुड़िया,
चलो आप उनको बुलाओ जब तक मैं किसी और को ले रहा हूँ.
अगर किसको, हाँ उसका नंबर ले लीजिए.
है ना? चलो. यस, कोहिनूर.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Koinur and I am the student of Raman English Online Lab Interactive classes from batch B8. Today our topic is about my father. My father name is Mr. Sandeep Lamba. He is about 47 years old. He is a shopkeeper. लाइट गई
तो बोलना, तो लाइट जाने से क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है? अरे यार. यस वंश, तुम बोलो.
Hello friends, my name is Vansh Sharma from B8. Hello friends, I'm telling about my father. My father's name is Mr. Raju Sharma. He is 45 years old. He gets up at 5 a.m. Then he drink water. Then he goes to walk. He comes to 6 a.m.
He comes back at 6 a.m.
He comes at 6 a.m.
प्रणाम सर.
Then he drink milk.
आराम से, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी, आराम से, तसल्ली से. हाँ, हड़बड़ी नहीं बेटा. हाँ.
Then he goes then he go to shop. His favorite fruit is mango.
बोलता रहे बस, घबराए मत, छोटे-छोटे सेंटेंस बोलता रहे बस, क्या दिक्कत आ रही है? हाँ.
He is kind and polite person.
हाँ.
His favorite festival is Diwali. His favorite festival are Diwali and Raksha Bandhan.
Okay.
His wife name is Mrs. Kamala Sharma.
Okay.
He has 4 children. Their name are Payal, Priyanka, Neha and Vansh. He loves to all.
Very good.
I can't live without my father.
बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
My heartbeat is my father. His hobby is growing trees. His mother's name is Mrs. His mother's name is Mrs. Shanti Devi. His favorite color is blue. That's it.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया.
Thank you, sir.
घबराया मत कर बेटा बिल्कुल भी, है ना?
Okay, sir.
हाँ, थोड़ा सा फोकस किया कर.
Okay,
सर मैं आ गई.
हाँ बेटा, मेरे को मालूम है. Yes, अशफाक.
Yes. Hello everyone, my name is Ishfaq Khan and I study in Ramban English online tutorial classes. Today our topic is father. I think father is most important person in our life. We can't live without father because father teach us discipline and discipline is very important in our life. My father's name is Mr. Ismail Khan. He is a very nice person. He gets up early in the morning, then she take tea and then she take bath.
सी क्यों लगा रहा है? ही बोलना, थोड़ा ध्यान रख बेटा, थोड़ा सा.
Then he take bath.
ध्यान गया और गलती हुई बस. हाँ.
Then he take breakfast and then he goes to his work. He helps all the poor. He always completes our wishes.
Fulfills, completes की जगह fulfills.
I am satisfied with him and my father. He believe in God and he watch news in TV for some time. He is very kind person. He help me every time. His hobby is play cricket.
His hobby क्या होता है? His hobby is
play cricket. He like reads book.
He likes reading books.
He puts on simple clothes.
क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ अशफाक?
ये सर आवाज नहीं है. अपने आप कैमरा बंद हो गया सर. He puts on.
क्या कर रहा है?
He puts on simple clothes and his age is 40 years and his qualification is 10th pass. Our father is head of our family and his behavior is very nice for every person. He do his work honestly. Does his work honestly and on time. He always tell true.
Okay, truth. Time is over.
सर थोड़ा सा और बोल.
थोड़ा सा तो बाद में बोलेंगे, थोड़ा सा फोकस करा कर चीज के ऊपर, है ना. लाइट गई तो जाने दे, तेरे को तो बोलना है. लाइट से क्या लेना देना है तेरे को?
ओके सर. मैंने उसको किया सर लाइट पे.
लाइट गई तो जाने दे, लाइट से क्या लेना देना है? लाइट से तुम्हारी तो तुमको तो बोलना है ना. मोबाइल थोड़ा तुम्हारे कोई लाइट से चल रहा है. कौन सा तुमको लिखना है? लाइट गई तो जाने दो, लाइट जाते ही बस हो गया. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है कोई. लाइट से क्या लेना देना चल रहा है? आपको बोलना है तो बोलते रहो आप.
सर.
हाँ, एक मिनट जरा. अंजरू हो गई, सब हो गए. कोई और दोबारा बोलो फटाफट से.
Yes sir. Hello everyone, my name is Konur and I'm the student of Ramban English Online 11 Adaptive classes from batch B8. Today's our topic is about my father. My father name is Mr. Sandeep Ramba. He is about 47 years old and he is a shopkeeper. He do work hard from morning to evening for us. He wakes up early in the morning and he goes for morning walk daily. He reads a newspaper daily. He takes tea and bread in his breakfast. And sometimes he takes also poha in his breakfast. He puts on simple clothes. He goes to temple daily. He keeps a fast on Tuesday.
Very good.
And he watch news on TV sometime. He is a punctual person. his favorite color is white. His hobby is help each other in their difficulty.
Each other नहीं, others. Each other तो
others
खुद भी हो गए शामिल उसमें.
Okay, sir.
हाँ.
A father is the male parent of a child. He play cricket. He play cricket with me and my other friends when he was free.
He is free. Was क्यों?
When he is free from his work. Sometime he play with me. He takes chapatis. He takes chapatis, cuts and other things in his lunch.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा.
He fulfill my all the dreams.
Needs. Dreams नहीं, dream को तो आप ही पूरा करोगे.
Needs. I am proud of him. My father is the best father of the world. His favorite fruit is apple. And I love my father very much. That's it.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा बोला. शाबाश. Yes, Nidhi. Yes, sorry. Suhani.
Okay, sir. My name is Suhani and I am the student of Raman English Interactive Classes from B8 batch. Today I tell you about my father. My father's name is Mr. Manoj Kumar Jain. He is a shopkeeper. He is 40 years old and he is a shopkeeper. His hobby is selling things. He good in cricket. His nature is good and he is very responsible person.
Shabash.
And he is very disciplined disciplined in his life. And he also teach me discipline. He always wakes up early in morning and go to temple daily. His nature is helping and he help needy and poor persons. He puts on pant and shirt and simple clothes. And he is a responsible person. He is very beautiful and
handsome.
he is very
beautiful नहीं handsome. मम्मी के लिए beautiful, पापा के लिए handsome. हाँ.
He is very handsome and he fulfill of my needs.
Of की जरूरत नहीं. He fulfills my needs.
He fulfill my needs and I fulfill his dreams.
His expectations.
And he is very hardworking. He does hard work morning to evening.
From morning to evening.
From morning to evening, he care his family and he loves his children. And he is good in sports.
Also.
Sports in also. And he go for evening. He go for morning walk daily. With her daughter. He have 2 daughters. He has 2 daughters. And that's all, sir.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करिए बेटा. शाबाश. Yes, Purnima.
हाँ जी सर.
Yes.
Good evening, everybody. I want to tell about my father. My father name is Mr. Devin Singh. He is retired railway officer. He is a very kind-hearted person. He wears a pant shirt, lower t-shirt, and kurta pajama also. He shows himself outside very strict, but in fact he is a very polite or soft-hearted person inside.
और नहीं एंड
And okay, sir. He is very helpful. A father has play a very important role, same as mother in every child's life.
हैज नहीं आएगा, प्लेज आएगा खाली.
Plays, okay, sir. Every child's life to build a bright future of him. A father is the base who takes the whole responsibility of the expenses of the family. Because he doing service.
He does.
He does service and earn money for his family. My father is a single child. He lost his father in his very young age.
In his childhood कह दो.
In his childhood. His mother is a single parent of him. He is not so much social. He lives his life very simple way. He is very fond of sweets, but due to diabetic patient, he can't take sweets. He can't take sweets. My father is a very pure-hearted person. He makes us independent personality from the starting.
He has made.
He has made. He has made us independent personality from starting. In my life, my father has a very important person and play a very important part, as well as my mother. A father loves his child invisibly, which is as mother.
Time is over.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. बहुत अच्छा. कोशिश बहुत अच्छी. और कोई रह तो नहीं गया? प्रीति आई क्या?